You think modern cars are getting better every year. More technology, more safety features, more convenience. That's what every advertisement tells you. But after decades of working with vehicles and seeing what actually fails in the real world, I can tell you something most drivers don't realize until it's too late. Some of the features being sold as upgrades are actually creating expensive problems down the road. And if you plan to keep your car for a long time, especially if you're someone who values reliability over flashy technology, this video could save you thousands of dollars. Today, we're going through 13 car features that sound impressive on paper, but often become headaches for owners. And the number one feature on this list is changing the entire future of car ownership. Let's start with one that many drivers notice every single day. Feature number 13, automatic start-stop systems. You're sitting at a traffic light, your engine shuts off, and the car starts again when you release the brake. Manufacturers say it saves fuel and helps the environment. But here's the part they don't highlight. This system puts extra strain on the battery and the starter motor, two parts that used to last years without issues. Modern cars use stronger starters and expensive batteries to handle it, but when those parts fail, they cost much more than the older systems did. I've seen many owners shocked when they realize their replacement battery cost double what they expected. And if you live in a city with lots of stop-and-go traffic, this system activates constantly. Now, the next feature sounds like it should make parking effortless. Feature number 12, automatic parking assist. When this technology was introduced, it looked amazing. The car can steer itself into a parking space. But here's what happens in real life. Parking lots are unpredictable. Lines are faded, cars are crooked, people walk behind vehicles unexpectedly. The system relies on sensors and cameras, and when conditions aren't perfect, it can hesitate or misjudge distances. Many drivers end up parking faster themselves than waiting for the system to finish. Over time, most owners stop using it entirely. But the real concern is something we're seeing across many modern vehicles. Too many systems relying on sensors, which leads us to feature number 11, lane keep assist. This system is designed to help prevent drifting out of your lane, and in some situations it works well, but it also depends on cameras reading lane markings correctly. If the road lines are faded, if the windshield is dirty, or if sunlight hits the camera at the wrong angle, the system can get confused. Some drivers have experienced the steering wheel nudging unexpectedly when the car misreads the road. The key thing to understand is this: these systems should assist the driver, not replace awareness. Now let's talk about a feature people love on long road trips. Feature number 10, adaptive cruise control. On the highway, it can feel like a luxury. The car automatically adjusts speed to maintain distance from vehicles ahead. But the technology behind it is more complex than most people realize. There are radar sensors and cameras constantly monitoring traffic, and while they usually work well, even a small bump in a parking lot can damage or misalign those sensors. What used to be a minor repair can now require expensive recalibration. Next is a feature that many drivers trust a lot. Feature number 9, blind spot monitoring. Those little lights in the mirror feel reassuring, but the sensors that power this system are usually located in the rear bumper. That means they're exposed to rain, dirt, road salt, and minor impacts. Over time, sensors can become dirty or slightly misaligned, which can cause false warnings or missed alerts. The system works best when drivers still check their mirrors and remain aware of their surroundings. Now let's talk about something many drivers ignore completely. Feature number 8, tire pressure monitoring systems. When the warning light appears on the dashboard, it's supposed to signal a safety issue, but because the light often turns on during seasonal temperature changes, many drivers start ignoring it. What most people don't know is that the spare tire can also trigger the warning light if its pressure drops. Over time, that means the light stays on so long that drivers stop taking it seriously, and that defeats the purpose of the system entirely. Now we're getting into a feature that changed how cars are unlocked. Feature number 7, keyless entry systems. It's convenient, your car unlocks automatically when the key is nearby, but this technology also introduced a security risk known as relay attacks. Thieves can capture the signal from your key fob and use it to unlock the car. It doesn't happen everywhere, but it's one reason car theft methods have evolved in recent years. Fortunately, storing keys away from doors and using signal-blocking pouches can reduce the risk. Next is a feature many drivers find frustrating. Feature number 6, automatic high beams. The system is supposed to switch between high and low beams automatically, but winding roads, hills, and reflections can confuse the camera that controls it. Some drivers say the lights don't dim quickly enough, while others say they switch off when they're still needed. For experienced drivers, manual control often works better. Now we're entering the features that can become expensive over time. Feature number 5, panoramic sunroofs. They look beautiful, they make the cabin feel open and modern, but large glass roofs also require complex seals and drainage systems. Over years of exposure to heat and weather, those seals can wear down. If drainage channels get clogged, water can enter areas of the vehicle that were never designed to handle moisture. That's when repairs become costly. Next is something many drivers enjoy but don't think about until it breaks. Feature number 4, automatic climate control. Instead of simple knobs and cables, modern systems rely on sensors and electronic motors to maintain temperature. When everything works, it's comfortable, but if a small component fails, diagnosing the issue can require specialized tools and labor. Repairs can become more complicated than they used to be. Now let's talk about something that has transformed car interiors. Feature number 3, large infotainment systems. Today, one screen often controls navigation, music, vehicle settings, and even climate controls. While the technology looks impressive, it also means more functions depend on software. If the system freezes or glitches, multiple features can be affected at once. That's something many owners only realize after a few years of ownership. We're almost at the top of the list. Feature number 2, aggressive eco driving modes. These modes adjust throttle response and transmission behavior to improve fuel economy. But here's the reality many experienced drivers know. Smooth acceleration, steady speeds, and proper maintenance often have a bigger impact on fuel efficiency than simply pressing a button. And now we've reached the feature that is reshaping the entire automotive industry: over-the-air software updates. Cars are becoming more like smartphones on wheels. Manufacturers can now update software remotely to fix problems or add features. In theory, this is incredibly convenient, but it also means vehicles now rely heavily on software stability. Sometimes updates improve performance, but sometimes they introduce new issues that require additional fixes. This is one of the biggest shifts in car ownership we've seen in decades. And here's the important takeaway from all of this. Technology in cars isn't necessarily bad. Many of these features can be helpful when used correctly. The real problem is when drivers rely on them completely without understanding how they work or what they cost to repair. The smartest drivers today aren't the ones with the newest cars. They're the ones who understand their vehicles, maintain them properly, and know which features actually help them and which ones they should be cautious about.